Okay, so today, what are we doing? We're getting into setting up a product page, right? Is that what our plan is? So, going into my website at wordpress.com. I'm already logged in. Hopefully I didn't get signed out. Let me just check. If I go to my sites, yeah, it kept me signed in. Go to switch site, click on my Bright Bloom graphics, and visit my site by clicking on the little home at the top and visit site. And so this is what I have. I have a portfolio. Now it's set as a gallery this is a slideshow display. And then I want to do a products page. So how might I do that? So I click on my products page here, and then I can click the edit button. I was experimenting outside of the class on adding buttons and how that works, and I typed this in, visit me on Etsy, because one of the pieces that I made I actually sell on Etsy. So I just linked it to I was experimenting with linking this to my my item on Etsy so that people could jump into Etsy and purchase it over there when they click there. But then I guess you have to sign in. So I'm still kind of working this out. Let's get into building the product page from within WordPress. So so to edit this page, you would find the edit button on your page. And you click on that. And then you get into the page editor controls here. And I think I'm gonna just delete this button. I can show you how I created it later on. So this came in as a block, so I can click this little dot and remove. And we'll try that again some other time. So let's see, remove. Okay, so now it's fresh. So now everything is just ready to start something brand new. So what I would suggest if you wanted to set up a products page is to use columns. So I'm gonna just click on this plus that says add block when you hover over it, and then I'm gonna choose columns. And then in columns, you can choose the type of columns you want. So I think I want to do this one that divides the space up into thirds. So I'm going to click that. And then I can see there are pluses in each of these. These are like separate blocks that are lined up in columns now. So I can click on the plus, and I could put an image there. So I can add, I don't want a whole gallery, I just want an image. So I guess I have to choose browse all. And then under media, I can click image, and then you can either upload the image from your computer, or we should be able to get it from the media library. So if you've already uploaded a bunch of images to this particular WordPress site, then it's stored in the media library. If you click select image, that should access the media library, which is where your images are stored on the WordPress server after they're already uploaded to the WordPress server. Okay, so click select image, and then then I have these options. So I want media library.
All right.
Not Google Photos, not this one, because that's not where I have the images. Are you okay, Temlok? I hear you talking or something.
Oh, sorry about that. I'm just kind of mumbling.
Oh, okay, you're just kind of responding to what I'm saying.
Yeah, sorry.
No worries, that's great. I like feedback like that. Okay, I'm just gonna click media library there. And here I am in the media library, so I can choose an image, maybe something that I would want to sell. Maybe my t-shirt design. So I might show it as a mock-up. So I have an illustration of the t-shirt design right there. So I click select. And that's going into the first column. And then I could go to the next column and choose something else. So again, okay, now it's letting me just get image here. It was smart enough to give it to me right here, so I didn't have to go to browse all this time. So I'm gonna just choose image and then select image, media library, and then let's see, what else might I want to sell? An image of maybe this pattern design. So I could select that. And then maybe one more. Click the plus. Then click image. And then select image. And then I'll choose it from media library. And maybe I want to sell this funny baby on board sticker design. Or I'm not sure. It's just a design for baby shower, let's say. Okay, so there it is. So 3 items that I could potentially sell. I could select each one and adjust the size by dragging on these circles here on top or bottom. And I can put in captions. So this one already has a caption because I put the caption in the media library. It's like programmed in there. This one I could say pattern. Oops. Pattern design. And this one I could say like digital design. Maybe it could be like a sticker design. I guess it's a bumper sticker. Sticker or t-shirt design. I'm not sure. Actually, I have a series of these with different statements, but baby on board sounds like it would go on your car. Sticker design. Okay, so now if I want to start selling these, I need to link out to
maybe.
Sorry, did someone have something to say? Ask
This
questions.
is Karen.
Hi,
I
Karen.
see that you posted it as sticker design. I was suggesting maybe window decal or something like that, but no, that's fine. Sticker design is fine. I was just
Okay,
giving
another thing to say. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Yeah, suggestions are always welcome. Okay, so all right. So now to get selling. So the way that I do this without having to pay WordPress a monthly fee or join their e-commerce plan is I use a combination of WordPress with my PayPal account, and the PayPal account needs to be a business PayPal account, which is free to do. To if you're on a regular PayPal account, at any time you could switch your account to be a business account, and what that gives you is access to generate PayPal buttons, so you can be paid, and then you can transfer the payments to your bank account through PayPal. And then I use Google Sites to generate the page, the web page that's going to hold the PayPal button to set up the payment there. So so I'm gonna just log in to PayPal.com, to my account. Log in. Apply for a PayPal business loan. No. Proceed to account overview. Or let's see, if I go to my PayPal, that should take me there. Let me accept. Okay. Okay, so here I am logged in and I got paid. I should transfer that money. That was from one of my clients for a recent job I did. And so, but from here, and then let's say I'm selling my t-shirt design, button details. So I'm gonna go to, and so there's, see, so button details, there's a drop down here, button type, could be fixed price or single select list. Let's see, single select list, looks like this, or variable price. So let's say I chose fixed price, and then I put the item is a t-shirt. T-shirt with original design or something. Or Pugly design t-shirt. I'll say Pugly t-shirt. Is that a word? Maybe it's not. Okay, item price. So I come up with the price. Let's say I want to make it $25. Item price, currency, USD, US dollars. You can do all kinds of currency. And if you're going to set a shipping fee and a tax rate, you can do all that. And then, let's see, button style. So you can click the drop down for button style, and then you can try different options: vertical, horizontal. See, and it will show you what your button's gonna look like when you choose. Oh, Marie, are you? I'm muting now because I hear sound. I don't know where it's coming from. Okay. All right. Horizontal.
Yes, checking it.
Okay. Welcome. Just remember, you can just sign in and chat.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Rectangle. Oops. Horizontal, rectangle. Let's see. There's vertical. Okay, vertical gives you the PayPal, gives you a pay later option, gives you a debit card or credit card option. If they don't have PayPal, they can just pay with their credit card. You can choose colors, different colors. There's the blue look, the white look, silver, black. I think the gold is good. The gold, it looks like that. And button text. So we have button text saying PayPal. You can click the drop down and do checkout instead, or PayPal with checkout there, or buy now, buy now, or pay with PayPal. I think I like checkout. Checkout sounds good. And you can get
Now what's sorry about that.
No worries.
What's with the pay later thing?
that's a good question. I haven't experienced that. Let me see if we choose horizontal, if it will. Yeah, it'll still have pay later.
That's a PayPal thing, so you can actually add it to your PayPal credit card.
I
So
thought the PayPal later would be like Amazon. You're buying something, but you put it on your box, but you're not buying it right there and then. You're going to pay to buy it later.
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
No,
No, it's you're purchasing it now, but you're purchasing it on your PayPal credit card, which you can pay off later.
so it's like, yeah, okay, that makes sense.
they break the
No.
payments down into three. They separate the bill in threes, and you pay them in thirds.
Oh. I do have a question, Maddie.
Well, thank
So
you
when I-
guys for
whenever I
answering
use
that.
PayPal,
Sorry,
whenever I
Joe.
use PayPal, I'm sorry.
Go on.
Whenever I use PayPal and I'm basically billing somebody, I say if you're going to be paying via debit card, add 3% because otherwise, if they, it'll come out of your, how would I say it?
Oh yeah, yeah,
People
that's
will charge
true.
you.
Yeah, they charge a little bit. They will take a little bit off.
So do you fix it in your price, or do you let people know that you're going to be charging to add 3% when you're selling an item?
It's up to. I mean, I just charge them and consider that I'm paying PayPal that much. But you could charge them whatever you want to charge them, and then consider that you're paying PayPal a certain amount to use the PayPal service, rather
Yeah,
than
you just set your
thinking.
prices accordingly.
Yeah, rather than thinking, oh, I need to charge my customer an extra little bit. Like it's just, however, like if you want to charge them extra, you don't have to let them know. You can just be like, well, I'm gonna add maybe I really wanted maybe I really would charge $20 for this T-shirt, but then since PayPal is gonna charge me, I'm adding $5. So you could just
Right.
do something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So now that I have gone through and filled out this form, then I'm ready to get my code. So I can just click copy code. Your code was copied to clipboard. So now I can paste it, and I'm not sure if the code's different if you're. Oh, okay. So you can notice how you can select buttons for mobile or for desktop. So they're wider for a computer and more narrow for a phone. I think if I'm just gonna copy this code, I'm only gonna have one version of my page. So I'm gonna choose the mobile buttons because they're narrower, so they're gonna fit into either a phone or a website. So I'm choosing mobile and then copy code. Okay, so my code was copied. Now I need a place to put the code. So since WordPress does not allow you to do that, to put the code in their web pages, as far as I've experienced, that's when I turn to Google. So I go to, I'm making a new page, going to google.com, and you have to log into a Gmail account. I'm on a Gmail account right now. Once you're logged in, then you can access the various apps that are available. And one of those apps is Google Sites. And so this is the little, so I'm logged in already. See, and you can use the school assigned abcadultschool.com email, because that's actually a Gmail account. And then you can log in. See, I can click there and I can click here on use another account and I can log in, but I'm already logged in, so I'll just use the site that I'll use the account that I'm already logged into. I'm in, and then I'm gonna click the little Google Apps button, and then I'm gonna kind of scroll down and see if I see sites. Oh, there it is, sites. If you don't see sites in this list, then you might have to go all the way down to the bottom and choose more from Google Workspace Marketplace. And then, let's see, then kind of just scroll down and look and see where all the apps are. And I'm in my another Gmail account right now, because I just wanted to show you what it looks like in a regular Gmail account, because I was in my school assigned Gmail account and it was a little different when I went after I click on the apps. You can scroll down and try to find in these apps that are available here where it says sites. We're looking for an app that says sites. Do we see an app that says sites here? Am I missing it? Do you see sites? We want sites because that's where you go to create your own site. I don't see sites here, so I can click on more from Google, and then I can scroll all the way down, or you can click browse all products, or scroll all the way down, and then you can see the products, Google products, and you should be able to find Google Sites. There it is, the purple icon. So you can click that, and then you can just start creating your site. So, and this is just to create a page for a payment, to set up a payment for a product. So you could choose one of these templates if you like a layout, or you could just go simple and just choose to do a blank, start with a blank site. So I'm going to just click that, blank, keep it easy. And then I can click up here and enter a site name. So this could be just specific to the specific product that I'm selling. So Pugly Design Payment. Then for the title, it's the whole purpose of this page is just to make a payment. So this could be the invoice or something, invoice or whatever you want to call it. And then you can add the button. So let's see here. We have some controls here on the side where you can insert things, and this is what we're looking for though, the embed button under the insert category, embed. And you could also check out the other options here, like after insert there's pages, and that just shows you, this just shows you kind of if you're going to build an entire website with Google Sites, you could control the setup of the pages for the whole website here under pages. But I'm not interested in creating an entire website. I'm just interested in making one page to send my customers to make a payment. So it's just going to be this one home page. And then themes, you could go into themes just to give your page a different look. So it's set to simple here, but you could choose some, click on the different options and you'll see a whole different look. And choose different colors for things, for elements. Or I could just go back to simple, keep it simple. I could change the color of the background. I want. Go with that. Go back to insert. And then I want to click on embed. Okay, so if I go to embed code, then I can paste the code that I copied from PayPal. So let's try that. So this is HTML code. So I'm just going to use my shortcut, which is Command V, V for victory. Or on Windows, that would be Control V for victory. Uh-oh. Error. It's not good. Let's see. Oh, okay. I guess that's all good. So that's all the code that I copied from PayPal. And then let's see if I click next, what happens. Okay, then it's showing me what the PayPal button would look like. And then I click insert. And now I have a PayPal button. And I can adjust the size of that here. And I can also add an image of the t-shirt to make it make sense to the customer that, okay, I'm coming to pay for this. Reassure them that this is the same product you're paying for over here in this other site, which you could, extend your branding to this page too, so it all looks like it matches. You just have to get comfortable with the controls over here in this page. So let's see, what else can I insert here? I should be able to insert an image somewhere. So, and they have different layout options down here. So let's see if I select this layout option or this layout option. It's giving me some different little areas here. So maybe I want something like this, where instead of having it just up here like that, I could, let's see if I could click the plus here, what happens? Can I add? What I would prefer to do is have an image go on the side of this. So let's see if we can figure out how to do that. So let's see if I just click from the insert menu, if I click image, let's see what happens. And I choose upload, and then I choose the image of the shirt. Let's see, is it this? No, that's a different shirt. I guess I better go get it from where I got it before. Uh-oh. Something happened to my hard drive. Because the word... Because it's not reading it. Okay, come on, wake up.
Did it freeze up on you?
It's just not showing the hard drive where I have that image. But what I could do is I could just download it from my WordPress page, just so that I have the same image from my portfolio. Let's see, portfolio. Actually from media, let's see if I go into media and my media library. Let's see if there's a way that I can download this image. Let's see, right click, save image as. Okay, t-shirt mockup, and I'll just put it in my images folder here. I'll call it Pugly. Save. Weird that drive isn't showing up. I guess I have to restart my computer, but no time for that right now. So I've got it now saved, so I can go back to, this is the Google Sites area page that I'm working with, and I'm in the insert section, and I'm going to click image, upload, and then there's my Pugly t-shirt. I'm going to click open, and okay, so it's going under. Let's see if I can get it to go to the side. Let's see. Place image. Crop. It would be nice to have it on the side. Let's see, what's this? I just double clicked here, embed. This is interesting. If I click text, oh, I can add text there on the side. I'd say, welcome, or I could say, thank you for your purchase, or you are about to purchase the Pugly design. You are about to purchase this one of a kind Pugly t-shirt design. Okay, so you could do that. Okay, let's see what else I can do on the side. If I double click here, I could do embed. Oh, here, there's a little image button here. I could click that, and then it looks like photos from Google Drive are appearing. But let me see. If I go to photos, Google image search, but it doesn't seem to be letting me get my, it's not letting me access images from a hard drive. So that means that in order for me to be able to use this, I have to put this image on my Google Drive. So that's a little extra step here. So I'm gonna just go to, I made a new tab by clicking the plus, and I'm just gonna go to my my Google account and go to my my Google Drive. There it is, Google Drive. It's cloud space, so that I can store whatever I want to in here. And it's on Google's server. So I'm just gonna go to where I have that shirt on my hard drive, media drive, in my images folder, Pugly. Okay, now I'm just going to see if I can just drag this and drop it in. There it is. That's how I put your videos up on a Google Drive. Just drag and drop. And then I'm gonna go back to the page that I'm working with here, and I'm gonna just double click this area next to the PayPal button and choose image. And why isn't it there? Recent, my drive. Oh, it's wanting to access the Google Drive for ABC, my ABC account, but not this other Gmail account. So, sorry, Google's just being complicated right now. Okay,
I think, question.
Mm-hmm.
I think it doesn't let you access your documents on the Google Drive because maybe you're signed in as your email with the school, not your personal email.
Yeah, I'm signed in with both, and for some reason the school one's overriding because I guess that was the first one I signed in on, so it sees it's prioritizing that account. So I'll just put it in try this again. I'll just put it in my summer class folder here, I'll just put it in outside of that folder in my ABC 2021 classes folder. So now when I go back to the page, oh yeah, because I thought that I got to Google Sites through the other account though. So it's weird that now it's showing. It prioritizes for the first account. So I guess there's some limitations to being signed in more than one account at the same time. You're kind of locked into certain things on that first account that you sign in on. Good to know. We're learning together. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is do that again. Double click, go to image, and then, oh, there it is. So I put it in the right Google Drive this time. So then I can select the image and click insert. So it works with Google Drive if you want to use that little device function to have to put an image on the side like that. But I might have also been able to use one of these layouts, and then like down here, this is based on one of the layouts that I added, but I think I don't want these layouts anymore. I could have used the layout, and then it doesn't, oh yeah, it would have let me put in the embed code here, so I could click embed and and paste and put the PayPal button on this side too, like that. Edit, you can click edit, go into editing anything here. I can make a link to here, there, change the size. I think what I just want to do is delete this whole section. Let's see, how can I delete it? Okay, so see how I selected it and it has a blue outline around this whole section? If I want to delete this one and maybe just use the one on top instead, there's a little trash icon that appears, so I can click that, and then that'll clean this up. So I can select this box and then click the little trash icon, because these were extra. Every time I clicked on these different layout buttons, it gave me these ready-made layouts that I could have used. I could have clicked the plus and added my content to there. Like the plus would let me choose to upload an image or put in a YouTube video, all kinds of fun stuff. We're gonna learn about putting YouTube videos in your websites next week. So I'm just gonna click to select the outside frame and then click the trash to remove that. Okay, so now I have this, and I can make it smaller if I want. I can change the size of the PayPal button itself too by dragging on these little circles, and I don't want to crop it off. And I can highlight the text, and I can change the font. All kinds of fun fonts here. Let's see. Stretch it out. I could do italic or heading, make it a heading, or just normal. So you can play with the text controls here. There's a little dot dot dot. You could adjust the line spacing, alignment. That's all there. So maybe I'll do the paragraph alignment so it's centered. There we go. And so they can come here and they can click to check out, and they can purchase this t-shirt design then on a t-shirt. So so then they make their purchase, and then you send them the product. So this isn't published yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click the publish button. and it's telling me what the web address is going to be. That it's gonna use it's gonna use what I titled the page and make it all one word, lumped together as one word, Pugly Design Payment. And then it's gonna give me this URL. This is why I don't prefer making my professional website with Google Sites, because Google's always gonna put this long URL in front of the name you come up with, and with WordPress it's more professional because it's your URL, your name of your website dot whatever. It's not sitesgoogle.com / blah 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 / and then what your web address name, your website name. So but this works out just fine to be like a payment page, an invoice page where it will direct people out to go make the payment. So I could highlight this text because I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need that URL, or I could wait and get it later, but I'll just copy that. I highlighted the text and then I hit Command C to copy it. Then I'm gonna just click publish. And so if I go to this drop down here, I can go view published site, and then this is what it looks like so far. And this is my URL here, sites.google.com / that's the ABC. So this is actually using the ABC account / the name of my site / home. So this is the URL. I can copy this text, and that's the URL that I need to direct them out to make the payment. So I can go back to my WordPress page that I'm working with somewhere. Here it is. And I need some text to let them know that this is a product that they can buy. So instead of the caption here, I could say click to purchase, or let's see if I do inline code. I can make this text click to purchase Pugly Design. And then I can highlight this text, and I have text controls that pop up now, so I can insert the link here. So there's a link button. You can click on that, and then I can paste the URL that is the Google site page URL. So I'm just going to use Command V. That's Control V on Windows. And to apply that, I click the little curvy arrow here to apply that. And then there's a drop down here to get into settings for your link. I like to choose open in new tab so that people don't get redirected outside of my site and and aren't able to come back. So it'll just open a new tab. I could also link them back to give them a link to come back to my site from the Google site page. And then let's see. So, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. I think I did that in the wrong place. Sorry. Because when I click this text, this comes up. So I think I did that wrong. Let's try that again. So I'm highlighting this text. And then here's the link button that pops up when I click that. So I click that link, and then I'm gonna Command V to paste, apply, and now the link is working because the text is lit up a different color. I want to check open in new tab here. So this text is a clickable hyperlink now. And I could also make the image itself a clickable link, so it'll take them out to the purchase page when they click on the image. So when I select the image, then it looks like these are the controls here for the image, I think, hopefully. So I'm gonna click edit link here, and yeah, I already did this one. So this one should already be set up. Yeah, this one's already set up. So hopefully, let me just make sure. Yeah, this one should be. Okay, so let's see if this site is working. And I'm going to click update. And we'll check how my products page is working. So I can click preview and preview desktop for desktop, preview a new tab. And now here's my products page. And then if someone clicks to purchase or clicks on the image, it takes them to the invoice with the PayPal button. So then they go and they choose PayPal checkout. They log in. Oops, some of your info isn't correct. Did I do that wrong?
Let me ask you, with PayPal, is the PayPal link with your own bank account or can it be a separate account?
Is it linked to your own bank account or can it be a separate account? You can I think you can transfer the money to any bank account. With the PayPal, maybe it's not letting me log in because it's myself, or maybe I have the password wrong. Let's see. Nope, it's not letting me do it. But someone else might be able to log in and purchase my t-shirt design or see how it works. So I'm gonna just go ahead and go back to the page where I can edit, and maybe I want to have something that says, let's see, if I double click here, I can add some more text, and I could say, thank you for visiting my shop stop or whatever, to return to, maybe I should see if I could add a button. Let's see. There's this button option here. Let's see if it'll go in here. Let's see, button. Okay, I want to try the button to be called return to, it was called, my site was called, what's my site called? It's called Bright Bloom Graphics. And then I need the link to Bright Bloom Graphics. So let's see if I can get it.
Nabby, would that button also work for, since you're using apparel to order a certain size?
Yeah, they used to, maybe one of those options, because I chose fixed, but we could experiment with the different options, because in the past you used to be able to allow them to select sizes. I used to be able to do that. Okay. Preview and new tab. So I'm just gonna, wait, why is this? I want to go to my products page here and give them the URL for my products page. So there it is. I'm copying it, Command C, and then I'm gonna go over to my page that I'm working on here. I'm trying to insert this button, see how that works, and I'm gonna paste Command V and insert. Okay, so now I put this button here that I can adjust, and it looks like you can edit it at any time, then the text and the link, and there are
Would that be the same thing as adding like a continue shopping,
Mm-hmm.
or would you
Yeah.
have another button for that?
Continue shopping. Yeah. I could say continue shopping. That would probably be better. I was thinking about that. Continue shopping. Depends on what your site is all about. Continue shopping at Bright Bloom Graphics, but that's probably too long. So yeah, so it could be a continue shopping, and then I can click publish, and it's okay. Publish with confidence. Review differences between your draft site and published site before changes go live. Change this site setting at any time. Got it. Okay. So it's showing the draft, and then it's showing what it will look like published. Things always look a little bit different than when you're working with the website in the workspace to what it's actually going to look like. Because this might be this might be too much space here. So maybe I need, oops. Uh-oh, what did I just do here? That's too big. I want to make this smaller without cropping it. And if only I could make this get a little smaller, but I guess that's okay. Okay, we'll try that. Publish and publish, and then I go back to my WordPress site to check it out. Let's see, WordPress. Here's my products page. I'm gonna just refresh it with the refresh button at the top of the browser to make sure it's the up-to-date one, and then they can click to purchase. And then they see the PayPal button. This is a little bit too low probably to get back. I should probably have if I could have the button here, it's probably better, huh? So those are things that you can go back and forth and tweak, or maybe make this bigger so that it's closer to that, or let's see. I could, only I could see this one. How did I get this? This is only allowing me to put text here, so I could remove that. And see if I double click here, upload, embed. But see, this is how I got the text there, but I couldn't get what I want is the button there. But with the button, it's only letting me insert it underneath this whole section, it looks like, because when I do that, I might be able to embed a button, but no.
Can you add another button, because you have 3 currently up there, right? Your PayPal, checkout, pay later, and debit. Can you add it up there?
No, these buttons came from the PayPal code. And this button came when I went under the insert tab. You can click button, and then it will just go underneath this whole area. So it's just a kind of a balancing act to kind of get things to be laid out just right with any work in web design. That's always a challenge. Just kind of have to go back and forth. Okay, so because you're kind of locked into code and that kind of thing. So let's go back, and then you can see that works. Do you want me to do another example of these, or do you get the idea of how to set up the product page, of how you're creating the link out to the Google site? You got the PayPal button from your PayPal account. Maybe you want to see another example of, like, let's say this was going to be different prices, different sizes. Let's see if we can do that. So going into my PayPal account, I'm gonna go back home. Oops. Now I don't remember my password all of a sudden.
Okay. Are you
Oh,
trying
I
to do
think
it
it's
via,
I think it came in, it's just written wrong. Okay. Somehow there was a typo there. Okay, now I'm in. And so I'm going to the App Center. And I'm going to PayPal checkout. And scrolling down to button generator. Let's see if there are any other. So there are different options for button generator. This top one's probably really, it's much more simplified than other button generators that I've used to use on PayPal. So there may be some different ones. Let's see,
oh, the
standard
Venmo? They're
standard
adding Venmo in there.
integration. Yeah, now they're using like PayPal. PayPal owns Venmo, so they work together. So you have these different options for your button generators that you can choose from. But let's say, so this is the easy one. Want to see a different one with more options like this one?
Navi,
Uh-huh.
do you have to put like you're doing the generator, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I guess you would have to put it on the site for like a continue shopping button and then checkout. Because say they want to purchase multiple items. Or that's something that you have to build on the website?
Yes, so that's what I'm showing you as another example, because you have to go one by one for all of your items and set
I
up a
see.
PayPal button and a page for each item.
I see.
So now I'm going to try this different one. So this one says recommended for businesses who sell fixed quantities and at a fixed price. This one gives you more options. It's recommended for most businesses. So let's click Start Setup. Okay, so it's giving some instructions about things here. That's a lot of information. I didn't think it was going to be that complicated. Multiple shipping options. Okay, so setup. Okay, so let's see. Set up standard payments. Integrate PayPal checkout for online payments. Not a developer, use a pre-built solution. Okay, let's try a pre-built solution. That's more like it. So customize the smart payment button. Well, I guess now I'm back to the same options as before. So let's try variable price. So let's say I was doing different size stickers or something. So do sticker design. Okay, so I thought that with variable price that means you get to put different options like different sizes. You get amount field label, invoice ID label. It doesn't look like it's giving me that option. see. Variable price button lets customers set the amount. Oh no, that's not what I want. I want, let's see, single select list. That's more like it. So I guess if you're asking for a donation and they can put whatever they want, then that you would choose variable price. But single select list is more like it. I think the question, Rita, you were asking, right? About how can you have different options, like different sizes, different prices. So let's say, let's call this I'll just call this sticker or baby on board, bumper, sticker, something like that. And then let's say free shipping, USD currency, and let's do small, and the small will be $5. Let's say $5, and add another option, medium, and the medium will be $10, and then large. This is just an example. It's not what I would really think the way that we should this, because I don't have anything else at the moment as an example. So just to show you, 20. I'm not really gonna charge $20 for a sticker. Don't worry. Okay, so small, medium, large, and you can add more options. Or you could do like for stickers, you could do like one, like individual maybe. And then this will be 10 pack. And this will be 20 pack. Or this will be, gotta think business, 50 pack. So you're paying like for $1, it's like $1 each, or it's individual, you're paying $5 for one, or 50, you just pay $20. Okay, so then we can choose the button style. Let's try a different style, maybe that. And then for mobile, like mobile, and then copy code. And then we jump into our Google Sites. So we gotta go not into this page, I gotta make a new page. So I can close out these and I gotta go to google.com, and I'm gonna go down and choose Google Sites. So again, let's just go back. Go to google.com. And I thought that I did switch accounts when I did this. I switched to my other account, and then I scrolled down here. And I didn't see sites here, so then I went to more from Google. But then I guess automatically I'm in my first account. I'm not able to switch now. That's how it happened now let's see, other profiles. No, it's not letting me switch the account back to the one that I was on, so oh well. Okay, so then I'm gonna go to sites. There's sites. And then I can make a new page. So I can just choose blank, start a new site, make a new site. You can make as many sites as you like, because these sites are just the invoice page. So you enter the site name. You could add your logo here too. So let's see. See if I add a logo. Brand images. Click upload. And let's see if I have my logo here. There's my logo. There it is. So that helps my branding. To add the logo there, you could put alt text. I could say Bright Bloom Graphics logo. And it tells you what alt text is here. Alt text is accessed by screen readers for people who might have trouble seeing your content. Select the color to use for your theme. So I could choose one of these colors. Go with that one. And I can just close out of this. So that's nice, right? I got a little logo there for my brand. I should do that on my other page too. And then I'll do my site. This will be my baby on board. I should put spaces on board sticker. And then I could name this page invoice or whatever. Sticker invoice. So they know. And then, you know, you could change the size and the style of this, or you can highlight the text and change the font size if you want, and change the, I guess it could be fairly large, change the you can change the way the font looks and everything, give it a consistent look. And then we can go down here and...
Is there a way to trim that gray background behind where it says sticker invoice?
Oh, to make this part smaller, the header?
Yeah.
Oh, header type. So you can change your image here and upload something different, or let's see, you can click header type here and you can change banner type. You can do title only if you want to keep it clean and simple, or that's like filling the whole space. If you choose cover, large banner, banner, so I guess you can only go larger or to here, or title only if you want that look. But if I go back out of this, I could also change my image and make an upload a whole different image in there and really have a nice consistent brand. So next week we're also going to be jumping back into Illustrator to learning about how to design header images. So you can have a header image on your WordPress site and a header image at your Google site so that everything matches, so that you have a consistent look. And then okay, so then now I'm ready to insert my code. So I could go to insert, and I could try a layout maybe. Let's see if I choose layout. And then I click this plus here. And then I can upload my image. Let's see. Baby on board, I've got that one. Open. So the baby on board sticker will be there. It's cropping. And then over here, it's just, looks like it's just allowing me to do text here. But if I double click here, I can choose to embed the PayPal button. So I can click with the, after I double clicked on the side here, I could choose embed, and then I can choose the to put in the embed code. And I believe I already copied it, so I should be able to just use Command V or Control V on Windows and put the code in there. And so that's all the code that I copied from PayPal. And then I click next, and it's going to put in my PayPal button like that, and then I can just click insert. So now I have it as a PayPal button there on the side. And then when people come to purchase, they can choose what they want, the individual or the 10 pack or the whatever it was, whatever options I gave them. And then here I could write, I could just put checkout or something. Check out your baby on board sticker or something, or just check out or welcome to check out. I'm not sure. Get ideas from Amazon how they lay things out. Highlight this, center it, welcome to checkout, and then we can do another button to take them back, or just a link that says that I could just put, I just double clicked to get this, so I could click text, and then I could say continue shopping at Bright Bloom Graphics, and I can highlight that and then make that into a link by clicking on the little insert link button and then putting in the link that goes back to my page. So I gotta go back to my page here. This is my products page, so this is the URL up at the top, so I'm just gonna copy that link so I get it right, and then when I go back, not to this page, I'm gonna just close these out, and I'm closing this one so I don't have so much stuff open, too much stuff going on here. And then here is the button, and this is what I don't want to have that. Okay, so where was I? I was here. So this is my text, and I want to make it a link. I copied the URL, so I'm just going to click the little insert link button, and then I can paste the link there. Command V to paste, Control V on Windows, click apply. So then when they click that, they'll go back. So I'm gonna just click publish, and it will be publishing it as with this site address. So I could copy this text now. Here, copy, publish. And then when I go back to my WordPress site, then I can just put click to purchase sticker design, and then, or sticker, and it doesn't have to be design, it could be just sticker. Click to purchase sticker, and then I can highlight that. Let's see this drop down here. You can do some different things to the text here, but I'll leave that alone. Highlight this, and then I want to make this a link. So I'm going to just click link, and then paste the URL to my baby on board invoice page. So I'm going to hit Command V to paste and apply that, or submit it by clicking the arrow. And so now it's a hyperlink, and when I click on it again, it brings up this option, so I can set it to open in new tab. And the only one I didn't do now is pattern design. But you guys, I think you guys get the idea, right? So do you guys got it? So so now when I'm updating this page, and now I can preview it when it's done updating. Preview a new tab. And so this is my products page. So now when people go, they can click on these links. I didn't make the image a link here. This one, the image is a link. It's good to have the image a link too. You can click to purchase. Uh-oh, something happened there. Oh, you know what? I think I copied the URL prematurely. So I don't recommend, now I take it back. I don't recommend copying the URL where I did, because it's not going to work. So let's do this the right way. So when I clicked publish, the first time, there are no okay, return to editor. Okay, so it's already published. So don't click when I clicked publish the first time and it showed me my URL and it was in gray text, I copied it there, but that text didn't work. That URL didn't work. So let's find how to get the right URL. So here's my sticker invoice. I'm going to click this drop down next to the publish button. And then I'm going to go to view published site. So you have to view your published site in order to get the right URL to link to. So yeah, so this is the correct URL. That's actually, you copy it from up here in the URL field. So I clicked on it once, it selected all the text of my URL. Then I'm going to copy it with Command C. If you like using edit copy, you can use edit copy, but shortcuts save you a lot of time. Command C on a Mac, Control C on Windows, and then we go back to the page that I want to edit, which is my products page. Let's see. These are previews of my products page. Let's close these. So this is the editor tab where I'm editing. So here I need to change the link. So I need to click on this link because I put the wrong link here. Click edit, and I'm just going to delete the one that I have there and paste with Command V, or you could use edit paste to paste the correct URL. The only thing it was missing before was a /home. I guess that was important. And then apply that, and then make sure that we can turn on open in new tab. And then it's all set. But let me also do the image. So I'm selecting the image, clicking the link up here, pasting the URL, Command V, apply, and I can click the drop down here, select open in new tab, and that should be good. So then I click update, and then I can click preview in new tab, and this is the preview, and then let's see if it works. So if I click to purchase sticker, here I am at the sticker invoice. Welcome to checkout. Then people can pay me. They can choose what they want, the individual 10-pack or 50-pack. And then they can go back, continue shopping at Bright Bloom Graphics. Here you go. Then we're back. How's that?